This is the atmospheric steam chamber I built for my mushroom farm. It is a simple three-part design: water reservoir, boiler, and a chamber. The foundation was made using cement blocks, 2 courses deep. Metal channel, the type used in electrical work, was used to make the frame. The sides of the unit are constructed from John's Manville Go board. Each side consists of 3 boards laminated together. Go board is made from polyisocyanurate. It is a waterproof and vaporproof building material designed to be used in steam rooms and showers. The interior was lined with sheet metal from an AC box. If using 5-pound bags, the steam chamber can hold 125 bags. It can hold 80 10-pound bags and it can hold 84 1-gallon pails. The metal grate at the bottom keeps the bags from blocking the steam. It takes about 10 gallons of propane per 12-hour run. Sanitary fittings were used for bulkhead connections. The radiator hose has worked the best for us so far. Black galvanized pipe will be used in future updates. We chose a 55-gallon drum for the reservoir because it allows us to run it overnight or over extended periods without worrying about running out of water. The water is gravity-fed to the boiler using a stainless steel float valve. The boiler is sealed, so I can't show the inside of it. Okay, so let's run through the process of pasteurizing our substrate. The 200,000 BTU propane burner will heat the water and start producing steam in less than 45 minutes. We always double-check the drain to make sure water is freely flowing from the reservoir into the boiler. Before the chamber starts to heat up, we will insert up to 4 temperature probes. We take readings from the top and bottom of the stack of substrates, then take the average temperature. It's been almost 45 minutes, and the boiler is producing steam. The substrate temperature is starting to rise. The hot spots is the steam coming into the chamber. After approximately 8 hours, the substrate is approaching the desired temperature. The top sensors are reading 170 degrees Fahrenheit, while the bottom sensors indicate 180 degrees Fahrenheit. We will let that heat for a few more hours, then cut it off. It will take a couple of days to cool down. Let me know what you think. We hope to rebuild the 4th and final revision this fall. So stay tuned to see how it all works out.